If you're looking for an investment property in Hawaii, or you just want to see the best deal in Waikiki, we're going to show it to you today.
We are in Waikiki on Kalākaua Avenue, right at Walls. This is a special place for both of us.
My dad was a beach boy.
My mom was a wall rat. Google it, it's a term of endearment. Today, we're going to show you guys a true STR, a true short-term rental, a fully operable Airbnb. It's cute. The unit is very nice, classic.
You know how I talk on this channel, if you watch this channel a lot? I really think that. I think that there's a lot of opportunity in this one.
Who's gonna be the right buyer for this? If you list your home with us, with Core Team Hawaii, this is the type of exposure you can expect. So we're really excited to show this property to you guys. Let's go check it out. Here we are at Kuhio Village. I wanted to show you guys the unit, kind of give you a sneak peek of what you're gonna be able to see once this goes live. So this is a fully furnished, fully renovated studio unit in the heart of Waikiki. It's super close to everything. We're gonna take a little walk outside and show you how close it is to everything, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek at the furnishings, at the remodel. It's cute. The unit is very nice. The pictures aren't lying. This is actually what this unit looks like. Who's perfect for this unit? Who's gonna be the right buyer for this? Are you an investor and you are looking for something that is truly short-term rentable? That list has gotten shorter and shorter as the years go by, and as new legislation passes, things that are considered STR and legal short-term rentals aren't what they used to be. So to have a unit that is actually legally zoned to function as a short-term rental is good. King size bed fits in here, but honestly, if you're looking at an Airbnb in Waikiki, you're probably spending a lot of time outside. You're hitting the beach, you're walking on Kalākaua Avenue. You're doing one of the many things that you can do out here in Waikiki, but this is a perfect little landing spot to return to for either a pure investor who just wants to have a piece of property in Hawaii that they can use as a short-term rental, or maybe you're somebody who's a little bit of both. You're somebody who frequents the Waikiki area and you're sick of paying those hotel fees. You'd rather have something that, one, you can hold on to, is yours, and then also is a piece of property that can make you a little bit of money. This could be perfect for you. Though this is a beautiful landing spot to lay your head on, you're probably gonna be spending a lot of time cruising the neighborhood. So let's go check that out. So I literally just stepped outside the unit and already get one troublemaker coming down Kuhio Avenue. But behind Derek was multiple food trucks. Of course, Waikiki has everything, not just Waikiki, but you can head into Kapahulu, you can head up Montserrat. Banh mi sandwiches right here, which was like smelling real good from the lobby. Really just the amount of options that you have and the ease with which you can get to any of these options is, exactly what you want in a short-term rental. I don't even know, how far was this? Not even a quarter mile, what? Honestly, like hundreds of feet, couple hundred feet we walked away from the building, and we have public transit. We have the ABC store, which is, if you're on vacation, going to be your grocery store stop unless you walk to International Marketplace for Target, which is also very, very close. But I wanted to show you kind of the crosshair of Kuhio and Liliʻuokalani, which is one of the main veins going towards the ocean here, so that you can run into Kalākaua Avenue and the beach. So you can already see people walking with their beach gear here, a guy over there with his bodyboard, his boogie board. You're really close to any type of activity you want to do, whether it be daytime, we're hanging out at Kapiolani Park, we're going to the ocean to surf, to boogie board, to lay out. We're going for a jog, or we're going to experience all of the nightlife on Kalākaua Avenue when the sun goes down. This unit in particular, this location within Waikiki makes it so that you have accessibility to not just the daytime active lifestyle stuff, but all of the dining, the fine dining, the going out, the different restaurants, the clubs, the dancing, the different like rooftop resorts and things like that. Really, you kind of have a little bit of everything here, and you don't have to go very far. Maybe you don't have a board, maybe you're somebody who wants to surf but doesn't want to invest in buying a surfboard to keep at the unit. Because you're so close to the ocean here, between the unit and the beach where you're going to be surfing, you're going to run into multiple places where you have the ability to actually rent the surfboard for a couple hours or for a day. You can do that right by the Duke statue, or there's multiple places just like this one up here where you can get that. This is cute. What's this? Bikini what? Bikini burgers. I don't even remember what year it was, maybe 2018. The paddling state championships were here on Oʻahu, and we didn't win that year, but we still celebrated like we won. What that means was that I valet parked my car in one location, fell asleep with my girlfriends in their hotel room, woke up, came downstairs here, asked for my car at the valet. Turns out it wasn't even the right hotel. I did not park at this hotel. I found my car like 4 hours later at a different resort that I valet parked at. Anyway, there are times to be had in Waikiki. I don't know, we've probably been walking and talking story for not even 5 minutes, and now I'm at the ocean. Now I'm at Kalākaua Avenue. The Duke statue is right over there, the police station right there, and we're in all of the action. So what's cool about this unit, what's cool about the building in general, yes, you're super close and accessible to Kalākaua Avenue, the nightlife, you know, the street performers, all of that. But you are, in an odd way, kind of like a little bit removed from it. So it does seem to mellow out and be a little bit quieter, a little bit less noisy and rambunctious, while still having the ease to get to that if you want to very, very quickly.
Oh, my friend, say,
Oh, you look so handsome.
Oh, what a
Yeah.
sweet talker.
Let's do a little circle around Waikiki, and I'll tell you a few things about this property. One, I think it's going to be one of the best deals in Waikiki because the owner's selling it, not because it's not a great property. They just decided, I don't like this investor Airbnb thing, it's just not for me. They bought it for this much, put this much into it to fix it up, and they're only selling it for this much, right? So I believe it's undervalued. Also, I believe that whoever manages this property next will perform even better. They will get more renters more often for a higher rent on average. That is my prediction. I don't think it was managed optimally leading up to this point. So I think it's nothing but opportunity. You know how I talk on this channel, if you watch this channel a lot, I really think that. I think that there's a lot of opportunity in this one. Also, this one's special to me, one, because Waikiki is special to me. The coast connection with my father here in Waikiki, but also the person we're selling it for. I will just say that they serve this island and they serve this community. It's gonna be a good transaction, whoever ends up being the person lucky enough to get this property. So one of the biggest advantages of selling with us is not only our nuance, our skill, our drive, but it's getting on this channel, getting your property featured on this channel. One of the properties behind us is going to be on this channel in the months to come. So if you have interest in Waikiki or the Gold Coast, make sure to go to coreteamhawaii.com and ask us about what's upcoming. It is a unique, one of few property. Also, one of the advantages to buying with us is that we have this seller flow, right? We have these off-market properties. All of this attention that we get yields more opportunities for our buyers too. So just like, subscribe, comment, gas us up, and go to coreteamhawaii.com.